Namaste everyone. Welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ.
Namaste.
Namaste. A show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So we're doing a review again, and it says today we're doing this brand called Tattva Yog, and on top if you see in the package it comes like this, it has it's a brown box with a sticker on this, and it says Tattva Yog, fragrance of Jainism, dhoop sticks, aparigraha. Now aparigraha is a state in in Ashtanga Yoga where you get rid of all the excess, you are not allowed to collect anything. So that is the state of aparigraha. And it is the sandal saffron stick, 20 dhoop sticks. It's packed and marketed by Spiritual Essentials Private Limited, and then they're given the address and stuff. It says free dhoop stick stand, so that's the stand that you get, the normal dhoop stick stand that we have. And it says Tattva means element and Yog is union with God. With a vision of connecting with God through the Panch Tattva, the 5 elements, we bring to you the finest curated spiritual products of Indian origin. And inside we have this, we have a paper like this which says, saffron and sandal give your mind the tranquility to remain unaffected and at peace. The unique, sweet, spicy and woody notes keep your emotions observant but non-participative. It has free downloadable mantras which is sung by Sri Shailendra Bharti, and they've given a unique coupon code which will help you download the mantra. I'll be providing this coupon code in the link description box below. See if it helps you and you're able to download this mantra. So that's the kind of paper that we get inside this box. So we open the box like this and the paper is here. That's what we get. And then inside we have a partition like this and 10 sticks on each side. 5 sticks packed in one pack. So we have 20 sticks in total in this. And so that's how long the stick is. This is what you get. And it's a normal dhoop stick, the Jain dhoop stick that we have without the bamboo core. And it says sandal and saffron. So let's see, besides the premix, probably they have added sandal and saffron. Let's see what the fragrance is like. So if you are somebody like me who do not want to use the incense with bamboo core, you might want to try these dhoop sticks, these Jain dhoop sticks. If you want to see the review of another dhoop stick that I've done from Cycle brand, check the description box. I have also done reviews of other incense from Cycle brand, so you might want to check those as well. And so if you do not want to use the incense stick because of the bamboo cord, you can use these dhoop sticks, and you can also use incense cones. So this is the thing. See, it has a lot of smoke to this.
Wow, so beautiful.
It's nice. The fragrance is nice. It's a nice dhoop fragrance, though I can't really make out what fragrance this is. I mean, okay, so that's what we have. And the fragrance is a nice dhoop stick, and I can't really make out the sandal or the saffron in this, probably because they've mixed with other ingredients, so that's how we cannot really get the sandal fragrance in this. And it has 20 dhoop sticks and the perfumed dhoop sticks, they say. And what's the rate like? The rate is not mentioned on this, but I remember getting it for anywhere between 145 and 150, so it's something like that. So I'll be providing the description of the entire dhoop and the product link there in the description box. You can check that out, and if you want to check out this incense, so you can check the link. And to check out other incense reviews from Cycle brand, check out the description box and the end of the video. So that's there. And for now, let's if you like the incense, if you like to try any other incense, just let me know which incense brand I should review here for you. For now, let's say goodbye to each other. So take very good care of yourself. Namaste till we next meet.
Namaste.